Welcome to homework.
Okay, so we are told that the diameter of a helium atom, let's just call it DHE, equals 1 times, I'm guessing this is supposed to be 10 to the 2 picometers. I'm going to Google that and see if that's reasonable. The way it shows up to me is just 1x102 picometers, which seems strange. Helium atom diameter. Yeah, okay. So I get that the atomic diameter of helium is roughly 93 picometers. So yeah, 100 picometers makes sense. So this is definitely supposed to be 1 times 10 to the 2, I suppose. Okay, great. And what you need to figure out is how many atoms it would take to make the distance from end to end, lining them up 1 centimeter. So the question is really, how many 100 picometers are there in 1 centimeter? Right? How many helium atoms can we fit, and those helium atoms are 100 picometers, in a 1 centimeter box? I mean, it's one dimensional, but that's kind of the idea. And the way we're going to do this is we can simply uh, turn this into division, right? Um, if we had, say, what would be a good example? Like how many centimeters are in a meter, for example, right? Um, this is the same idea, except we're saying how many 100 picometers are in a centimeter, right? Um, and a way that we can do this is simply convert a centimeter to picometers and find out what we get, right? If we put them in a common unit, if we could put centimeters in the unit of 10 to the second picometers, whatever value we get for that will be how many 100 picometers can fit in um, a centimeter. Similarly, we could convert everything to meters and simply divide the number of meters in a centimeter by the number of meters in the diameter of a helium atom, right? And that's kind of not such a bad idea, right? We're basically saying 1 centimeter divided by 1 times 10 to the 2 picometers. And then we have to do unit conversion effectively so that this will give us a reasonable answer, right? Because we don't want centimeters per 100 picometers. We want just some number out, right? We want the units to cancel. So what is a centimeter in meters? 1 centimeter times some unit conversion factor is going to get us from centimeters to meters. So we want centimeters on the bottom to get rid of, meters on the top, so that would be our new unit. And then what's the relationship between centimeters and meters? There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter, right? So we're going to get 0.01 meters. That's what 1 centimeter is. Well, what's 1 times 10 to the 2 picometers? What if we want this in meters instead, right? So how do we convert picometers to meters? Well, it's the same thing. We multiply by picometers in the denominator, meters up top, and then we just have to put the relationship between picometers and meters. This is getting kind of sideways here. Okay, how many picometers are in a meter? There are 10 to the 12th picometers in 1 meter. Okay, so what do we have here? What's our final value? These will cancel. Okay, and we're going to get 10 to the negative 10 meters in the end. Okay, so now we know that the diameter of a helium atom in meters is 10 to the negative 10, and that a centimeter is, 0.01 meters. Okay, and now we can simply do division like we wanted to. We'll do 0.01 meters over 10 to the minus 10 meters. What do we get out? Eighth, right? And the meters cancel, right? This is just a number, and it's the number of helium atoms that will fit in the centimeter. So 10 to the eighth would be your answer. If you wanted to write this out more fully, that's like 100 million.